Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deliver any lights to Naniwa to complete a Ray of Light quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have already delivered light to Naniwa, and then I'm going to show you how you can get the light. Okay, let me open up the clue. Okay, Naniwa wants a new lamp. This time he will use it properly. Okay, and basically you just need to have a lamp, and if you don't have a lamp in your backpack, you can craft it on your workbench. Okay, you can select this desk lamp or this floor lamp. Okay, and then you just need to craft the lamp like this, and after that the quest will be automatically completed, but you need to find Naniwa to claim the reward. Okay, I've already crafted the lamp, and now it's time to find Naniwa. Okay, Naniwa is here, and then I'm going to talk to him and select array of light quest, and then I'm going to submit my lamp to him. Okay, done for the quest, and I got shoes. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Ray of Light quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.